Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this My Red Flex filter on Snapchat. So this is the filter, My Red Flex. Okay, let me remove this first. Okay, the effect is gone. To get this effect on Snapchat, what you have to do, just visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. If you're browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snap code with your Snapchat mobile app. And if you're browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snap code and open it with Snapchat. Okay, wait for it. Okay, you got the filter. So let's see what my red flags are. So yeah, okay, so that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter on Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.